Hi, Dr. Rick Goodman here, leadership expert, keynote speaker, and author of the book, The Solutions-Oriented Leader, Your Comprehensive Guide to Achieve World-Class Results. And I'm so excited to be coming down to Statesville, North Carolina, and working with each and every one of you at Purple Heart Homes. We are going to have a fantastic time, and on August 9th from 9:30 to 12:30, I'm going to be conducting a workshop, The Solutions-Oriented Leader, How to Achieve World-Class Results. We're going to be covering everything from how to set goals to achieve everything you want in life, communication skills, personality styles, time management techniques to save you time, team building techniques, and change management, plus much, much more. So make sure you're there on August 9th from 9:30 to 12:30. We're going to have a great time. We're going to learn a lot of information. Be prepared for success because I'm prepared for you. See you then. Keep making it happen.